Hi, I'm Joel Savari. Today I'm talking about how to make a background in Piskel and then export it and get it into Stencyl into your game. Alright, so first thing, we've created a new Piskel sprite. Clicked on the resize. We want to set 640 by 480, just because in Stencyl that's the default for a new scene. Again, you can use other values, but we're just using the defaults for the video tutorials. Cool. Nothing there, so we don't need to worry about resizing the content. Resize. Awesome, it's done. Now this is ideally going to be a forest level, so we want to try and get some trees in the background, I guess. And so I will just draw those. But so this doesn't turn into a video all about how to draw. Whoops, went too far back. Yeah, but so this doesn't turn into a video about how to draw. I will pause it and then you'll see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so there you go. It's not the best looking set of trees, but that's okay. If you want to spend more time getting more detail and that sort of stuff, you can individually draw every leaf, but that obviously will take a lot of time, a lot of detail, make the file a lot bigger too. So that's fine. Okay. 640 by 480. Happy with that. We'll save it to our gallery. Might fail. Okay. Interesting. Seems to be happy enough with it. New Piskel 10. Okay. So here we are back in Stencyl. Go to dashboard. The way we add backgrounds, we actually have to add it separately to the scene, and then we attach it to the scene. So here we go. This is the forest background. Yeah, we'll just call it forest background. Click to add frame. So the cool thing about there being frames is that you can actually add sort of changes. So if you wanted to, you could actually have the trees sort of move a little bit. And that way it almost look like there's wind. If you had that second frame, you could just shuffle it across a little bit, and it would look almost like the trees are sort of waving a little bit. So here we go. That's done. Saved it so the asterisk disappears. We can attach it to a scene. We'll attach it to our forest level. Okay. That looks awesome, doesn't it? It looks so good. What you need to know is that what happens at this stage is you've got two layers there. So you can see there's a forest background layer and a layer 0. Because we've added the background after we added tiles, it's sort of gone on top. Right? So imagine you've got two pieces of paper, you literally just can't see the one at the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to just swap them around, okay, so we can see our tiles. So it should just be a matter of dragging like that, and there we go. Now we can see ourselves. That's good. Next issue is that our background does not cover the whole thing. It's because we've got 40 by 32. Which is, we've adjusted the default size, so that's fine. We just need to, I guess, repeat the background. So basically, to repeat the background, you just go back to forest background. It's just that there. Okay, tick that box. Save it. And you can see it there. It does look quite sharp there. That looks probably the most unnatural part of it. We'll just give it a quick little test. Test scene rather than test game, because we want to just look at the forest level, not the first level. And yeah, we can fix that sharpness. That's fine. But let's just check there's nothing else we need to fix that looks too silly. Flying, that needs to be fixed. But yeah, that looks alright. That's fine. So it's just really that. and I don't really like that line, so we'll quickly fix those. The reason I'm flying is because there's no gravity, so we can just add gravity there. That's fine. Quickly going back to our Piskel, I don't like the way that line is there, so I might actually just draw over that. Cool. Alright, I don't really like the way that green is different either actually, so I'll just quickly change that. This tool just sort of selects the color from what you've already used. Then you can put it over like that. Okay, and the reason it's so sharp is because it's the edge of the image there. So we'll just make that sky. That's fine. You want to try, I'm trying to level it up from this side here to this side here, so it doesn't look too silly. I'll probably just put it up to about there-ish. So I'm drawing a line, so then I can just use my fill and do that. I think that should look a bit better. I might just, yeah, take a bit more of that off. Cool. Alright, quickly save to gallery, export, GIF 11, come back in here, add the frame, grab that, add it in. This is the dodgy one I did the first time, so I'll just delete that. Just click the delete key. Cool. Repeat. Save that. Forest level. Yeah. Looks a bit better, I think. Cool. Alright. So that's how you add a background to your level. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, actually, before I go, I'll quickly test the scene just to prove that I fixed the floating as well. And just to test, it all looks good and we move across and everything's happy and all that sort of stuff. It does take a while. Oh, there we go. Funny little sprite thing happened there. Boing, boing. So yeah, it's because I haven't finished doing all my sprites yet. That's why. If you go into my actor, when he's idling, it's those. But the walking is still using them. See, so I can just change those. That'll be fine. It's cool. That'll fix it. Yeah, I won't make you wait through me testing it again, but yeah, that's it. So you add a background. Thanks for watching.